What if I told you that small, consistent money habits could be the key to building wealth faster than you ever imagined? The truth is, most people think building wealth requires big financial moves or complex strategies. However, in reality, it's often the everyday habits that make the biggest difference. In this video, we're going to explore the top 8 money habits that help you accelerate your wealth-building journey. These habits are simple to adopt, but over time, they can add up to significant financial growth. Let's dive into these actionable strategies that will set you on a path to financial success. 1. Prioritize your emergency fund. One of the most important money habits you can develop is prioritizing an emergency fund. This fund acts as a financial safety net, providing you with the security to handle unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss without going into debt. Ideally, your emergency fund should cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, but even a smaller cushion is better than none. The key is to have something set aside that can help you navigate life's uncertainties without derailing your financial progress. Starting an emergency fund is a crucial first step in building wealth because it provides peace of mind and ensures you're not scrambling to find cash when life throws a curveball. Without this fund, you may find yourself tapping into your long-term investments or going into high-interest debt when an emergency arises, such as an unexpected medical bill or car accident. Consistently putting aside even a small amount each month, such as $50 or $100, will eventually build up to a solid cushion. It might seem slow at first, but over time, this fund will grow into something that can provide you with financial security when you need it most. The beauty of having an emergency fund is that it removes the need to make hasty financial decisions in times of crisis. Instead of putting an emergency expense on your credit card and accumulating high-interest debt, you can simply dip into your emergency fund and resolve the issue without adding unnecessary financial strain. Additionally, having an emergency fund allows you to stay focused on your long-term wealth-building goals. Knowing that you have a financial cushion to fall back on means that you can keep contributing to retirement savings, investing in stocks or real estate, or even starting a new business without the fear of short-term setbacks. This financial security allows you to take calculated risks in your investments, knowing that you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Over time, this small but consistent habit of saving for emergencies will help you develop a more resilient financial foundation and put you on the path to building lasting wealth. 2. Automate your savings and investments. One of the smartest money habits to adopt is automation. By setting up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts, you ensure that you're consistently putting money aside before you have a chance to spend it, whether it's a small percentage of your paycheck or a fixed amount each month. Automating your savings takes the guesswork out of the process. This habit allows you to pay yourself first, ensuring that you're prioritizing your financial future without the temptation of spending on things you don't need. You don't have to think about it every month, and you're guaranteed to build wealth over time. With the rise of AI-driven investment platforms, you can automate your investments into Diversify portfolios, ensuring that your money works for you even when you're not actively managing it. Automation eliminates the human error factor, helping you stay consistent and make incremental progress toward your financial goals. 3. Pay yourself first. The concept of paying yourself first is a powerful money habit that can have a profound impact on your wealth-building journey. This habit involves setting aside money for savings or investments before you pay any bills or make any purchases. By making this a priority, you ensure that you're consistently building your wealth rather than relying on whatever is left over at the end of the month. Paying yourself first is a mental shift. It positions your financial goals as a priority rather than an afterthought. Over time, this small but consistent practice can accumulate into a significant amount of savings or investments. It forces you to be intentional with your spending, and as you begin to see your financial security grow, you'll be more motivated to continue making a habit. 4. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt, especially high-interest debt like credit card balances, is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. Paying off high-interest debt should be one of your top financial priorities. The interest on this type of debt compounds quickly, making it difficult to save or invest effectively. By focusing on eliminating high-interest debt, you free up more of your income to go towards savings and investments. Consider using the debt snowball method, Will you pay off your smallest balances first? Or the debt avalanche method? Will you pay off the debts with the highest interest rates first? Once you're free of high-interest debt, you can start putting that money toward investments, significantly increasing your wealth-building potential. 5. Invest in your education. Investing in yourself is one of the best ways to grow your wealth. This could mean pursuing higher education, taking courses to enhance your skills, or learning about personal finance and investing. By improving your knowledge and skills, you position yourself for career advancement, higher earning potential, and better financial decision-making. The habit of lifelong learning keeps you ahead of the curve in your career or business. For example, learning how to use AI-driven investment tools or gaining knowledge in sectors like data privacy or AI prompt engineering can open up new, lucrative opportunities. The more you invest in expanding your knowledge, the more likely you are to increase your earning power and make smarter financial decisions that ultimately help you grow your wealth faster. 6. Track your expenses and create a budget. Tracking your expenses and creating a budget is one of the most effective ways to control your finances and ensure that your money is being put to good use. A budget helps you prioritize your spending and allocate your money toward important financial goals like saving, investing, and debt repayment. With tools like apps and budgeting software, tracking your expenses has never been easier. Regularly reviewing your spending habits can help you identify areas where you can cut back and redirect that money toward more productive uses, such as investing in real estate or contributing to your retirement fund. A well-structured budget also prevents impulse buying and ensures that you stay on track with your long-term financial goals. 7. Diversify your investment portfolio. Diversifying your investment portfolio is one of the most important habits for long-term wealth building. The more diversified your investments are, the lower your risk of losing everything in a market downturn. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, and even commodities, you ensure that your wealth is protected, no matter what happens in any one market. In addition to traditional stocks and bonds, consider diversifying into alternative assets, such as fractional real estate investments. Platforms like Arrive and Lofty allow you to invest in fractional shares of real estate, opening the door to an asset class that was once only available to those with large amounts of capital. Diversification isn't just about reducing risk. It also allows you to tap into multiple growth opportunities, increasing your chances of building significant wealth over time. 8. Focus on long-term goals. One of the most important money habits to adopt is focusing on long-term financial goals rather than getting distracted by short-term fluctuations in the market. It's easy to get caught up in the daily ups and downs of your investments, but true wealth building comes from consistency and patience. By focusing on long-term goals, such as retirement, buying property, or funding a child's education, you position yourself for financial success down the road. A long-term perspective helps you ride out market volatility and make decisions based on your overall financial plan, not short-term emotions. It encourages disciplined saving and investing habits, allowing compound interest to work its magic. The longer you stay focused on your goals and remain consistent, the more likely you are to see substantial wealth growth in the future. And there you have it, 8 powerful money habits that can help you build wealth faster. From prioritizing your emergency fund and automating your savings to investing in your education and diversify your portfolio, these habits are simple but effective steps you can take to secure your financial future. If you found this video insightful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on money management and wealth building strategies. Let me know in the comments which habit you're going to implement first. I'll see you in the next video.